In this video, you'll learn how to install IndexTTS2 from GitHub and generate AI voice locally with emotion and duration control support.
Hello, we're excited to show you our native speech capabilities. Welcome to MuseFlow AI.
Before we start, make sure you have Git LFS installed, Python 3.10 or higher, and a compatible GPU driver with CUDA. Please visit the GitHub page of Index-tts. First, we start the environment setup step. You just need to copy and paste into CMD like in the video. Next, you install UV Package Manager. Next, download via Hugging Face CLI. Next, checking PyTorch GPU acceleration to see if it is suitable to run. Now, just run IndexTTS. We access the link to use IndexTTS. Now I will guide you to create bat file to launch next time without going to CMD. You just need to create a .txt file on your desktop and copy my code in the description. Remember to change the folder path accordingly, then change the file extension to BAT. Then you access the webui.py file in the Index-tts folder, add the code to the last line like the video, Now, every time you want to access Index-tts, just open the bat file. Now we will use Index-tts.
Hello, we're excited to show you our native speech capabilities. Welcome to IndexTTS2. I am demo you. Hello, we're excited to show you our native speech capabilities. Welcome to IndexTTS2. I am demo you.
You can also use emotion reference audio to create voice.
Welcome to IndexTTS2. I am Demo You. Hello, we're excited to show you our native speech capabilities.
You can also use emotion vector to create emotional videos.
Welcome to IndexTTS2. I am Demo You. Hello, we're excited to show you our native speech capabilities. Welcome to IndexTTS2. I am Demo You. Welcome to IndexTTS2. I am Demo You. Hello, we're excited to show you our native speech capabilities. Welcome to IndexTTS2. I am Demo You.
That's it. You've installed IndexTTS2 and generated your first expressive speech sample. All commands are in the pinned comment below. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and ring the bell.